welcome to Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. This is number 12 in a series of 20 videos introducing you to our flower essence line based on their placement in our essence spectrum chart. Today we will be talking about Spirit in Nature's Pear Essence, which happens to be our most popular essence for peacefulness, for emergency situations of any kind. If you think of the pear tree and the fact that it grows without any fuss at all in very temperate regions, water, not so much water, great soil, poor soil, sunlight, little or no sunlight. It's not a fussy tree. Everything is okay for the pear tree, and Pear Essence gives us that same message. For peacefulness, Pear Essence is for emergency, trauma, or crisis in any form, physical or emotional, and also for support throughout the day. Pear helps children with restless or nervous energy, or who are learning to listen better to their parents and teachers. It's good for pets anytime their regular routine is disturbed, including vet visits, car travel, or nearing their time of passing. It's a first aid must. Keep a bottle in your purse and at home. Pear Essence enhances the following qualities: peace of mind, a sense of rhythm and proportion, being fully in the present, the ability to handle crisis, stability during major changes, and lastly, for inner harmony and balance. The benefits of Spirit in Nature Essences are greatly enhanced when used with affirmations. If you'd like to now, please join me in repeating the Pear Essence affirmation. Smilingly, I greet life's difficulties, seeing all of them as gay flowers in a meadow that nod with encouragement and opportunity. Smilingly, I greet life's difficulties, seeing all of them as gay flowers in a meadow that nod with encouragement and opportunity. Thank you for visiting us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com. We wish for you perfect well-being.